So we're on to the next part of the series. I'm sorry this keeps delaying badly, but we're now gonna hear the rhythm clock play. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And yeah, the lights are kind of glitching out. I have them on all now. I mean, all of them on now, as the New Year video is coming up. But let's get right to it. And remember also that singing is optional. And that's the rhythm clock playing, and we wish you a Merry Christmas. Stay tuned for the next holiday video coming out very soon.